So this is the pole where the electricity will come in. They had to put a new pole in, and you can see that the wiring is going under the ground, comes under the driveway here, and then comes around in a conduit over here to the front of our house. And then right there is where it goes into the house, under the front porch. And that's where the box is gonna go. You can see the conduit there, and right above that, there they are looking through the roof, trying to get things lined up so they can have the conduit coming into the right place to where they can install the box for our electricity. This is what the box looks like. It's big. It's kind of, could be considered an eyesore in the front of the house, but I think it'll be okay. And that's the installation of the box. Now you're gonna see Jim doing some real fast electric work. He's learning a new skill, and he's gonna wire the whole house. He's never done anything like that before, but he's brave and he has a coach, and God is giving him courage and teaching him. So he's gonna learn a lot in this process, but he's just starting on the outside right now, where the can lights are gonna be installed under the porch that wraps around the house.